Hello, I'm going to unbox the FLAM809 by Pleaser in faux patent leather cream colored. I've got like hundreds of shoes I've never even worn, so I need to start opening them. But I just thought it would be nice, it would kind of match my skin tone. Pretty much what I expected. I really liked the extreme heels better, but they're always making these flamingo heels now, I think because it's cheaper. Isn't that the way things always go? So let's see, make sure these are the right size. I'm actually a perfect size 7. That sounded good. I'm perfect. No, I'm a size 7, but I always get, or I always size down in Pleasers just because, I mean, they do run true to size, but I like my shoes a little tighter just because I dance kind of crazy, and it makes it safer, I think, so, but whatever you're comfortable with. You can always get, you know, your proper size, and then when they stretch out a little, just put like a ball of foot toe pad here, and it'll like make them a little tighter again. I guess I should try them on, right? I've already got a million of this style, just not this color, so I'm assuming they will fit like all the others, but what the heck. Glad the dog is outside right now. He would probably chew these up. So nice to have brand new shoes. So many dancers wear the same shoes forever. I even see girls duct tape them, and I'm like, really? Spend a little money on your craft there. But I usually just end up giving them shoes, so that's probably why. Very comfortable. I like them. Totally didn't need more shoes, but what the hell? Can you ever really have too many? Actually, you can. Once my dog went in my bedroom and got stuck in the shoe boxes and couldn't turn around, and I had to rescue him, so I guess technically you can. Very comfortable though. Oddly enough, dancer shoes are usually more comfortable than regular heels.